I'm soldering resistors. Now I had some problems just of the angle, plus I had the camera in front of me. They weren't that very good, so I had to flip it over, clip the leads, and reflow them. And reflow is just doing what you see here. You just reheat them. And then the other ones that I did weren't that good. I needed to clean the tip after like every 3, and I didn't, plus the angle and everything. So I had to reflow these as well. And plus the other thing is you don't want to have the tip on the PCB too long, and that's what I did too. I was lucky not to lift any of the pads, because you can burn the PCB.